Question is, how will you bring about the following conversions? First is ethanol to but1-ine. What is the structure of ethanol? Ethanol is C2H5OH, or it can also be written as CH3CH2OH. And what is but1-ine? It is CH3CH2C triple bond CH. This is but1-ine. तो इथेनॉल और but1-ine के स्ट्रक्चर में CH3CH2 और CH3CH2. दिस पार्ट इज कॉमन. क्या इंट्रोड्यूस करना है? C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड CH. So first of all, treat ethanol with SOCl2 in the presence of pyridine. तो ये कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा CH3CH2Cl में, and SO2 will be given out and HCl will be formed as byproduct. So this is chloroethane. Next step में क्या करना है? Take ethyne CH triple bond CH and treat it with NaNH2 in the presence of liquid ammonia. तो इसमें क्या बन जाएगा? The hydrogens bonded to this carbon are acidic in nature, so it will change into sodium salt HC triple bond CNA. Carbon here has negative charge, sodium has positive charge, तो ये sodium salt में convert हो गया. This is called sodium acetylide. Sodium acetylide. Now chloroethane is available, sodium acetylide is available. Now these two react, CH3CH2Cl plus NaC triple bond CH. When these two react, NaCl is formed as a byproduct, and the product obtained is CH3CH2C triple bond CH. That is but1-ine, and NaCl is formed as a byproduct. Next conversion is ethane to bromoethene. Ethane का structure है CH3CH3. This is ethane, and bromoethene BrCH double bond CH2. This is bromoethene. तो reactant है ethane, which is a saturated compound. Product में there is a double bond, it is ethene, and one halogen atom. तो एक double bond introduce करना है, एक halogen atom introduce करना है. So treat ethane with bromine in the presence of UV light or heat. तो इसमें क्या होगा? One of the hydrogen will get substituted by bromine, तो ये बन जाएगा bromoethane CH3CH2Br. CH3CH2Br is formed and HBr is formed as a byproduct. Now treat this CH3CH2Br with alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH. तो alcoholic KOH में क्या होगा? Elimination reaction होगा. Heat it with alcoholic KH, elimination reaction. So ethene will be formed and HBr is eliminated. Now when this ethene is treated with bromine in CCl4, then dibromoethane is formed, and this is vicinal dihalide, जिसपे कि halogen atom adjacent carbon atom पे present है. So dibromoethane is obtained. अब इस dibromoethane को again heat it with alcoholic KOH. Elimination of HBr will be there, and the required product, that is bromoethene, will be formed. So first step है ethane में bromine substitute कराना है, bromoethane मिलेगा. इसका alcoholic KOH से इसको heat करना है, तो elimination reaction होगा, ethene will be formed. Treat ethene with bromine in CCl4, vicinal dihalide is formed, and when this vicinal dihalide is again heated with alcoholic KOH, elimination reaction takes place. There is removal of HBr, and the final required product, that is bromoethene, is formed.